July sales report and best-selling items. For the month of July, I had 48 sales across all stores, which was a 21% decrease from the 61 sales I had in June. Miss Rhoadie 29, Weddings by Rhoadie 6, Homeschool Me 10, Rhoadie's Kitchen 2, Armor Africa 0, Bible Verses and Gifts 1, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. This happy birthday to my husband greeting card came in first place. In second place was my beautiful black and white striped bath towel set. And for third place was a new entry, my yellow pencil vinyl stickers. Other items sold were invitations, birthday cards, a hat, favor boxes, t-shirts, daycare shirt labels, cheat canes, aprons, a wine tote, file folders, a button, a notebook, license plates, frames, and golf balls. Customer demographics. 79% of my sales came from the U.S. and 21% were international. 77% of my sales were from women, 21% from men, and 2% unknown. My top states: California with 5 sales, New York, New Jersey, and Texas all tying with 4 sales. International sales: Australia 4, United Kingdom 3, India 1, Norway 1, New Zealand 1. Honorable mentions. My honorable mention for this month is this digital download of a wedding invitation that I sold, and I'm happy for this sale because these invitations are fairly new. So it's good to see that they're being digitally downloaded. Referrals. I didn't have any referrals for the month of July. Takeaways. I am glad that Zazzle has introduced digital products. I have been selling quite a few since their inception. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.